Definitely wet. We have headed out for a walk this rainy afternoon. Got some ice cream. Went to explore the other side of the city. And I wanted to show you something. Oh, this is amazing shoes.
New good slippers.
So this is what a local Fijian village looks like. Raised homes. Nice cut grass everywhere. Everything's pretty tidy. Very nice. And we see some local piggies in the jungle with a papaya and some other nice plants around them. Good life, good life. These birds are like out of Jurassic Park. Look at them. Yeah, we're back in Sabu Sabu. What did we stop for?
For the Pringles bear.
A little Fijian beer.
In front of a private island. They're building a big resort here. The resort is big time. A lot of people pooping in the resort.
So today the fish that we caught, we made lunch. We invited our Airbnb host, Edna and Suli. And Suli, she is Fijian. Edna suggested that we all eat with our hands because that's what the local people do. It was really nice. We had our lunch. It was rice and some really nice fish that Rokas prepared. It was an amazing lunch. And we ate it with our hands. It was very nice. It was a very nice experience. We didn't film it, classic, but we are telling you about it right now. Perhaps we will go to make some traditional Fijian food and alcohol, let's say. Dried root prepared into a powder, mix it with water, gives you an effect of alcohol, and it's called kava. It's called kava. We're gonna head back home, get some work done after our beers. Heading up the mountain again. Roka's really embracing the Fijian way of life here. Roka's doing some grounding. After our beer, it's very much needed. Strangely, this beer was 4.6, but we got quite drunk from it, which was very strange. Decided to do the climb, the steep climb, barefoot because my shoes are too slippery for here. It rained quite nicely, and the view. This is actually a temple, a Hindu temple. We were sitting just behind this white building. From Edna's place, we basically get to see practically the whole of Sabu Sabu, which is amazing. So let's have a tour of Edna's place. I think this is in Fijian, Bahai ni Edna. And we head upstairs. There is a beautiful outside shower with all these flowers. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. We have some beautiful plants and of course this amazing hammock. And this is usually our work area and food area. Today, Suli brought us a beautiful hand-picked bouquet of local Fijian flowers. Absolutely beautiful. If we head inside, it's pretty dark. Got a nice fan going on. This is the kitchen area. We have a huge TV that we do not watch. Some very nice big shelves and a nice living area. Through there we have a bathroom, our bedroom, and a few more bedrooms up down there. Yeah, we got a nice bug screen so bugs don't fly in. So that's a little tour of our Airbnb. I hope you have enjoyed it. And yeah, see you soon.